Good morning, dear students. We are writing the notes for third lesson, that is diversity in living things and their classification. Yesterday, in page number 25 of our textbook, we have done the exercise. What we have done? Match the pairs. Number 2, who is the odd one out? Third, what is the difference? Fourth, I told you to write as homework, that is true or false. And fifth one, write 2 names of each. Name the following, also I gave as homework. And the sixth one, write answers to the following, that is question answers. Totally 8 questions are there. 8 questions are there. Among these 8 questions, I marked and shown you in the video lecture yesterday. And I told you that I will give 3 answers on the board in the next lecture. According to that, I have written 3 questions C, D, H on the board. Now you have to copy down that. So I'll show you, I'll tell you what is the answer given on the board. And first one we are going to see today is fill in the blanks. First one, plants prepare their own food. Therefore, they are called dash. Answer is autotrophs. The plants which prepare their own food is called autotrophs. Number 2, pitcher plant is dash. Pitcher plant is insectivorous because pitcher plant eats insect as their food. So it is called insectivorous. Stem of dash is fleshy. Stem of cactus is fleshy. Why? Because cactus is a non-flowering plant. It has no leaves. The stem of the cactus plant prepare the food, so it is fleshy. Cactus plant is fleshy. The stem of cactus plant is fleshy. Fourth one, flower is an important means of reproduction. Flower is an important means of dash reproduction. 5. Climbers like money plant have aerial roots. Aerial means above the ground. Climbers like money plant have dash roots, aerial roots. I already explained while teaching this climbers. And sixth one, animals have various organ systems which carry on various functions inside the body. Various organ systems are there inside the body of the animals. It carries various functions. Earthworm is an invertebrate animal. What is invertebrate animal? Do you remember? The animal which doesn't have vertebral column is called invertebrate animal. The earthworm is an invertebrate animal. Did you understand? Take screenshot of this page. And then the next question, write answers to the following, that we C, D and H. This among 8 question answers I told you, I will give you on the board 3 questions left. That 3 questions I have written on the board today, and you write that. Why is it necessary to classify living things? Third question. See here, why is it necessary to classify living things? Answer, first point I have written here, and another 1 point is there, I have written on the next page. I will show you that also. First answer, there is a vast diversity among the living things present on the earth. That we have seen in this lesson. There is a vast diversity among the living things present on the earth. This is the first point. Why it is necessary? The first point is given here. The second point, before that you take screenshot. I'll give you 2 to 3 seconds time now. Okay, shall we move on to the next point? First point is in the first page and second point is I have written here. This is not second question, this is second point. See question, second point. For identifying these living things and also for studying the characteristics of them, we need to classify them properly in scientific way. Why it is necessary to classify? These are all the points, and you have to write these in the third question. This is the point for third question. C and D. Next question. Next question and the answer. What are the criteria used to classify living things? What are the criteria used to classify living things? क्या क्या क्राइटेरिया यूज करके लिविंग थिंग्स को हम लोगों ने क्लासिफाई किया है? दैट आंसर इज गिवन हियर. स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द लिविंग थिंग्स. According to the structure, living things classified, that we studied in the third lesson. Second, different organs present. And third point, similarities and differences between them. What are the similarities and what are the differences? According to that also we classified the living things. And fourth one, other characteristics. And then fifth one, habitat. Habitat, the place where they live. Habitat. According to the habitat also living things classified, that we studied in the lesson. And then next one more question is here I have written. What protects the bodies of animals? Some animals have protecting cover on their body. Some animals have a layer of scales. Some, like turtles and tortoises, have plates. Some animals show behavior pattern that some animals show behavior pattern that we saw while learning the lesson. Behavior pattern that protects them. Some are provided with horns, nails or sharp teeth for protecting themselves against their predators. Predators means enemies. Protecting themselves against their predators. And students, you have to write all the question answers in the notebook and read it well, because you are going to have examinations. We are going to conduct online examinations in the next month after 15th of August. So take screenshot and copy down the question answers in the notebook. And yesterday's question answer also you have to write on the notebook. Here in our Dombivli, the patients, coronavirus patients are increasing day by day. So what you have to do? Stay at home. Don't go out of your home and obey your parents. Write, study well. Okay. Goodbye.